I'm Brittany, and this is Drew, and for the past 5 years, we've been traveling the world by van, and we just recently finished building Spirit, our 5th van home and first ever conversion. Subscribe, and we look forward to sharing where this unpredictable adventure takes us all. Look at this. Wow. Well, you know, that definitely beats the workshop. Although we are missing our friends at San Diego Urban Timber, and every time we look at our van, every time we go away from the van and come back to it, even if it's just for 5 minutes, the moment we open up the slider door, we're like, whoa, this is our house. Our home is finally finished. That was like half a year of building the most beautiful home I've ever lived in. You did such a great job. I don't think I can stop telling him this. And
thanks, babe.
The fact that he finished it on his own and drove our Chariot all the way up from San Diego to San Fran in time to pick me up that night, like, I just love you even more.
Beast mode.
And what we're both even more stoked about is, one, we had our first photo shoot in a van after living in 5 vans for 5 years. One of our best friends, Nicole brought us here. Thanks, best photographer friend. This is good.
Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na na, yeah.
She brought us to this beautiful spot, which we just kind of ended up staying at because we couldn't get ourselves to leave. And what we're doing today is we're gonna journey up the coast. We're gonna maybe go for a bike ride or a hike, and tomorrow we're gonna meet up with my best friend of life, Megan, and her boyfriend, Rohan, and we're gonna invite them over for our first dinner party in the van.
Table for 4.
Something we need to come up with is what we're gonna cook. We're going to come up
Sous
with
chef.
something tasty.
Join us for the dinner party.
Yeah, so let's go explore this amazing coast and end it with an epic meal.
Like, oh na 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 na. Like, oh na na, yeah. When you're around, I know I hardly speak. You got me now, oh baby.
We're at the beach!
Let's go!
Wow! This is incredible!
Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na na.
Talk about oceanfront living. Babe, we could have just slept down here.
My day is...
This is awesome. Oh, there's even a little bench in here. Whoa, and a cigar. Look at that. Oh, look at that view. Just as good as the van. A lot easier to build.
Wait, you're all driftwood.
Like, oh na na, yeah. I can't hold it no longer. I can't hold it no longer.
Pigeon Point Lighthouse. This lens weighs 4 tons, and it was made in Paris.
The 1870s, and it has 1,008 glass elements that are mounted. Wow.
Hold your breath. Slower. That was a good wish, it was worth it. Hello, Pacifica. Oh yeah, look at that sky. Just did a quick little Google search and learned about Maury Point. So we're gonna go do a little hike, yeah?
Oh yeah.
We got our bag ready, let's go explore. All right, Spirit, you wait right here. We'll see you in a little bit. We're going on an adventure. This place is so cute. Here by the sea. Oh. Birds, the sound of the waves. This is so gorgeous. Up we go. This is tough.
These footholds are extremely loose.
Yeah.
There's not even much of a foothold in some spots. Oh, oh, dang. Where does this remind you of?
Definitely Portugal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, babes.
Hi. Look, more fennel. Smells good. We've seen a lot of this actually in NorCal. At first we were like, someone must have dropped seedlings of this when we found it yesterday, but no, it's everywhere. Here, smell.
That's really neat. Spiral down there.
You see that guy? He has no shoes on and he just scrambled across all that to meditate. I like him. Is he inspiring you over here?
Yeah.
Perched.
Meditate here.
We made it to the pier. Not much happening up here. Just a bunch of fishermen.
Except the pigeons.
They're doing a little dance. Well, that was a fun little hike. Just beyond that point of land out there is the Golden Gate. First stop, Stuckey's. We've heard good things. I think this could be the spot for our dinner party supplies. Yes?
Let's get some fresh salmon.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi. We heard you guys have awesome salmon.
Pretty good salmon?
Yeah? All right.
You good?
Yeah.
Cool.
Very nice.
There you go.
Where do you guys get your salmon from?
Faroe Islands.
Just off the coast of
Scotland.
Scotland.
Greenland.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Really good stuff. I mean, look at the fat content.
Yeah, it's
on
like
that.
really nice.
Beautiful.
Can't wait to get this.
In our bellies. We have not treated ourselves to fresh fish like this ever.
We definitely splurged on salmon.
Scottish salmon. In our bellies. We got a safe little spot for you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Well, this is new. Are we allowed to drive on the right side of it?
I think so. Yeah.
Whoa. Spirit, suck it in. San Francisco van life.
Very, very different.
We are just on the outskirts of the city, almost to the bridge. City. Bay. Whoa. I think we just hit the nicest neighborhood in San Francisco.
Wow, look at the bridge out there. It is such a gorgeous day.
Oh my goodness. That snuck up on me.
You can totally see the bridge from here.
This is Baker Beach. Babe, did you order this weather?
I did.
This is awesome. Just gonna go for a walk on the beach, but now we have all the things.
We have to bring all the things.
We ended up bringing all the things, didn't we?
All the things. But let's get some great footage for you guys.
That dronage is epic, babe.
Wow.
Overhead views of the Golden Gate make me want to sing. Somebody's waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look. Da-da-da-da-da. If you ever watched Full House, give us a thumbs up because that show was like the staple of my childhood.
Wow, look at that, babes.
Back to epic dronage.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
I wonder if you can see through there. Can you see that? Oh, yes! Look at how good that is. It's just so good. We did all the things. We droned, we took some shots, and next is the sunset. Drew and I actually met in San Francisco.
Good.
We were babies.
Were you 20?
I was 21
I was 22.
and you were 22. But that's a story for another time.
Wow, look at that. Brittany's going for it. Let's see what she does. You didn't even go all the way in. There you go. Alright, that counts.
Now we're headed to Berkeley to go hang out with my best friend. So we're gonna go do that for a little bit and then we'll catch you guys later for the dinner party. Spirit, you are making it over one of the most iconic bridges ever. There's the city. Look at us, so fresh and so clean.
My first shower in an actual house since Florida, so thank you to Friends on the Road.
That's over 2 months of only showering in the van. I guess we know we built a good shower.
It actually feels like home when I shower in the van.
Now that we're all clean, we're searching for the perfect spot to invite our guests over for dinner.
We need a level spot and we want a view.
They've never really had a meal in a van ever. They've never really hung out in a van, right? We could sense that they were like, what is this gonna be like? We promise, guys, it's gonna be delicious and we're gonna find you a great spot with a great view. And that's what we're searching for now. These Berkeley streets are so steep. It's crazy.
We're doing switchbacks up the mountain right now. Tight turn after tight turn.
Wow, it is beautiful. We just need an opening. Here's a possibility.
Flat.
Yeah, we need level.
Alright, I think we're in our spot.
I'm gonna
We're
check
pretty
the
level
view.
that way, a little low in the back, but tell me what you think.
All right, guys. Opening the door. Wow. Yeah, let's call it a night. This is a spot.
So we gotta do a little bit of house cleaning before our guests come. Alright, we gotta clean this joint up. We'll get back at you. Our friends will be here shortly. They know where we're parked. We have an epic view. Things are good.
Dinner coming soon. And now... I love countertop.
Is the oven turned on?
Lighter.
I got this.
Go for it.
Go. Perfect. Oven's on.
Party on.
Party on. Coming along. Get cracking. Our guests are on their way.
Quinoa. One down. That was easy. I can handle that.
It's not that easy.
There we go.
1 egg.
Perfect. Quite possibly the nicest cuts of salmon we've ever eaten in our lives.
Definitely the nicest in the van ever.
Yeah. People are gathering. Let's see how close we can get for you. That's San Francisco.
We go San Francisco. We go San Francisco.
Let's see how filming this turns out. The second, oh dear. Oh, my hero. All right. Second cup of almond flour. Should we just tell them what we're making for dessert? Do you guys
Tell
want to
us.
know?
Tell us.
I'm making a gluten-free PIZZOOKIE. So I'm just gonna fill this whole pan with cookie. Hopefully
Look at that.
I get good at this so that we can have this a lot.
The chef is in the house.
Tiny chef,
Tiny chef.
tiny house,
Big countertops.
big cutting board. Garlic lemon dill salmon. Let's do it one more time in front of me. He's been trying to get me
Is
to...
it a dill overkill?
He's like, just take some video of me putting dill on it, and then I keep wanting to redo it, and we have to stop putting dill on the salmon now. It's pink. They need to get here. Where are our guests?
Van party rule number 1. Use the restroom before your guests show up. Oh my gosh.
Not just any chocolate. This is carob. These are carob chips.
All the
Using
geese?
all the geese.
You got the whole flock flying tonight? Give it a mix.
Cue the party lights. light the candle. Party time.
Nighttime vibes.
Oh man, the PIZZOOKIE's coming to life. It is almond flour, coconut oil, cacao chips, love, deliciousness,
Lots of love.
PIZZOOKIE-ness. We got everything ready. Drew's washing the last preparation bowl. Quinoa's almost done. PIZZOOKIE's ready to go in when we are ready for all of that. And it's perfect.
Friends have arrived.
This is so exciting.
Look at them. Should we have the door closed to make them knock?
They'll be confused.
They're coming around back. Hey.
Oh my god.
Welcome to our dinner party.
Hello, dinner party. Hi. Welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on up.
How you doing?
Okay.
This is some spot you got.
Dude.
This is champagne that Nicole left us.
She did. It was for the photo shoot.
But but we
Yeah.
didn't end up like popping the bubbly and doing the thing.
Oh, okay.
Think like this.
Oh, you're aiming like at
Hot, more up.
Just like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
We believe in you.
There it goes.
Going? Oh!
Wow.
Ole.
Cheers.
Yes.
Ole.
Nicole, you're with us in spirit. Spirit's
To-
first dinner party.
To our dinner guests.
Spirit's first. You know, Spirit's the name of the band.
I know, I just...
Yeah.
Now I know.
Yeah, we're gonna go have fun with our friends, and we'll see you guys later. All right. Say bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We might show you what the PIZZOOKIE looks like later, if you're lucky.
The salmon's looking really good.
Look at that.
Did you see it? Boom. Dinner is served.
Oh, yummy.
It's time to chow. How's the salmon, guys?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Pretty awesome,
Best
yeah.
salmon ever. Yeah. This is like, look at that salmon.
But
Look
look
at
at
that.
these veggies they made.
Dude.
Oh my god, the salmon's
That's
like
right.
unreal.
Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet.
Really puts
Brittany,
the
you have
king
to
in
Try
king
it. Go
salmon.
for a bite, babe.
It does.
Go for a bite.
I
Go
just keep
for
eating
it.
all of your veggies.
So good, right?
Top
That's
notch.
the stuff.
Alright, I might dig in.
The PIZZOOKIE.
Dude.
But that's not even it. Just wait for the ice cream.
Alright.
It gets better.
This part.
Soon, Drew.
Too soon.
Too soon.
How's that for a final course, Rohan?
It's amazing, yep.
VanLife dinner
Beautiful.
party success. Dinner party. Major success.
Oh my gosh, this is actually good.
I'm really excited. It's really good.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not lying. It's like
Thanks,
And it
Meg.
doesn't even have real chocolate.
you guys know
Yeah.
You're loving that?
Remember,
Yes.
like,
The party is over.
We're out of water. We have a lot of dishes to clean, but that's alright.
That was wonderful.
So good with our friends.
Aw, they're the best. Just the best people to have as our first guests in our van. So, thank you guys. We love you.
Yeah.
And thank you for joining us for our first dinner party in spirit. That was really fun. That was inspired by being able to invite our friends over and being able to share with you guys.
Just wanted to show our friends a little bit of what it's like to live the way we live, enjoy the view, and have dinner, and how it's all done.
And we got to enjoy it where they live, which is awesome.
Yeah.
We hope you guys enjoyed this episode, seeing this whole part of California and this first part of our journey since finishing our build. Next week, we're actually sharing with you our summit of a volcano.
Yeah,
so
stay
stay
tuned for that.
We've been looking forward to this hike for years, and we finally got permits. So we are headed north after this.
We got our crampons ready.
We'll see you next week
Alright.
on top of a volcano. hopefully we make it.
See you guys.
Good night.
Night.